Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone 15 model and carrier plan support 5G. Once done, update iOS to the latest version so all 5G features are available. Next, confirm your SIM provisioning, either an active eSIM profile or physical SIM that has 5G enabled by your carrier. You do these steps now because without correct provisioning and current software, the phone can't register on 5G towers or use standalone features. Now you enable and fine-tune 5G in settings. Go to Cellular, then Cellular Data Options, then Voice and Data. Choose 5G Auto for balanced battery life or 5G On for max speed. Make sure data roaming and LTE fallback settings match your carrier guidance. If you still lack service, inspect the Cellular Data Network APN fields and enter carrier-provided values. Some carriers require manual APN for data. Once these settings match, your phone will attempt to register with local 5G cells. To finish, restart your iPhone and toggle airplane mode for a fresh network handshake. This often triggers 5G registration quickly. Then test by loading a web page or running a speed test to confirm higher throughput versus LTE. If you still don't see 5G, make sure you're in Coverage, check Carrier Provisioning, and as a last resort reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset. If that fails, contact your carrier for activation or tower-specific troubleshooting. They can push provisioning or check local outages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.